do you think Chandler has gotten too expensive? I mean, 1.2 is a lot.
But before we get started, I'm Sean.
I'm Betty.
We're a husband and wife real estate team here in the Phoenix metro area.
If you're looking to move to Arizona, or if you already live here and you're thinking of buying or selling a home, reach out to us. All of our info is down below. We would love to help you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos.
Yes, and if you are looking to move to Arizona and you kind of need some information on what is Arizona, we have a relocation guide that we created for you guys. So if you're looking for that, send us an email at seanjhomes@gmail.com. Just type in the subject line, relocation guide, and we'll send that over to you for free. No questions asked. So right now, the median sale price of a home in Chandler is $650,000. In 2023, just 2 years ago to the exact date, it was $612,000, which is not a big jump, right? You're like, oh, it's not that much. But we've been in a crazy buyer's market here in Arizona where home prices have been going down. We lead the nation, actually. I don't think I told you this. Arizona market leads the nation in the most price reductions on the MLS. Yes, Chandler market's been doing good. Now, we're going to go check out these models at $1.2, $1.3 million starting, right? And we were like, you asked me a great question. You're like, hey, when we moved here in 2015, which is, 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Oh, it was October.
This month, yes. We moved 10 years ago in October.
It's been exactly 10 years. Oh, shoot. I didn't realize that. It's our anniversary, 10-year anniversary.
Yep. We survived the Arizona heat for 10 years. We survived the crazy Arizona market. And we saw a lot of shift and build up of the Arizona, just the Phoenix metro area. So it's been fun.
So you asked me a question, and that's crazy. We've been here 10 years on the date. And I think this video will come out in October 2025. You asked me a question. You're like, when we moved here, what was the most expensive home in Chandler that sold? Yeah. So I went back, looked at 2015. It was $1.8 million was the highest sold home in 2015. And it was one of the nicest homes. It was a 4,000 square foot home on a lakefront, massive. It looked like the White House. So when you put that in context, this year, the highest price sold home in Chandler has been $4.5 million. And there's been a lot of 3, 2.5, 1 is pretty common now, but obviously the median is still 650,000. So it's not, millions are not the norm here, but the fact that they've gotten this.
Yes. Well, however, I mean, if you look at when your parents moved here, his parents moved here in 2016, and they bought a fully renovated home in Chandler for $45,000.
But it was like a 1,200 square foot house. But just some context.
I mean, right now we could sell that house for almost 500.
Yeah.
So it has jumped from in that price point, it has jumped so much in the last 10 years. So.
Yeah. So let's talk about it. Why has it almost 3x'd? Especially these the highest price homes. Why?
Well, people are
moving here. Why?
Well, it has developed so much. I think over the last 10 years, the downtown is so much more, more fun. There's so many more restaurants, and you can actually hang out in downtown Chandler. I feel like when we first moved here, we really didn't really go there. It wasn't really that exciting, but now it's nice. You can go, there's a lot of people, there's bars, restaurants, and there's life in Chandler that, I think is unique to Chandler, because you have the neighborhoods, which is quiet neighborhoods, and
suburban feel.
Yes, suburban feel, but then you kind of also have the city feel, in a sense that there's a lot of energy, there's a lot of movement.
A lot of cars out, but it's not packed. It doesn't feel congested, right? But it's so when we did our Chandler video about 8 months ago, exploring Chandler, going vlog style, what we noticed was the density was pretty high compared to other cities in Arizona, not outside of Arizona, right? And when you look at that, it doesn't feel crowded, but it feels good busy, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it feels alive. So
yes.
It's a city. It's alive. There's people. There's a lot of shopping. There's a lot of shopping centers. like the streets are always like, there is like either shopping or offices or like, you know, just
stuff happening.
There's stuff, there's people. So I think that's why people love Chandler. And it's kind of easy access to a lot of the different cities around it too.
Especially the East Valley.
The East Valley, yes. So I think that's why it makes it so popular.
Yeah, because you're what, 20 minutes from the airport. And I guess depends where in Chandler you are, right? Like if you're in the southernmost part of Chandler, it's going to be a little bit further out. But if you're in like the central or northern part, you're close to Scottsdale. You're close to the airport. You're just close to all the highways, the 60, the 202, the 101, right? So like it's very accessible. But the main reasons, two main reasons why Chandler has blown up and why so many of you guys reach out to us for Chandler, most specifically. That's why we were like, let's do this video, because so many of you guys are reaching out. Two reasons: jobs, right?
Yeah.
It's become the Arizona version of the tech hub, right? Because Intel is here. Intel employs what, 14,000 jobs, right? And number two is the schools. Chandler Unified School District number 80 for public schools is the #1 ranked school district here in the Maricopa County.
Yeah.
So that's schools and jobs. So you have that. That's important.
Yeah, schools and jobs, and it's also like not the city. So it's like it's the suburbs.
Yeah, it's suburban feel, but city.
So it's a good combination.
It's a great mix, man. It's just such a cool mix. That's why I think it's gotten expensive.
Yes.
And I think we'll see if it's justified.
It's highly desirable.
It is.
I mean, it's not as expensive as Gilbert.
Or Scottsdale.
Scottsdale. So it's kind of like a nice in-between. You still have things to do, but it's not as expensive as the other cities.
No, and there's these kids riding bikes too close to the street, which is not that safe. That's the thing. Okay. So is Chandler gotten too expensive? I'm going to say no. Now, some of you may see these price points and be like, oh, you're crazy. But I mean, there's still a lot of affordable homes out there that you could get. I think for the Chandler as a whole, the school districts, the safety aspect of it, just the busyness, the good busyness of it. It's not like a, like crazy traffic busyness. I think Chandler's exactly where it needs to be. As far as how expensive it's gotten, right?
Yeah.
I think it's right in line.
It's comparable to like everything else around it that's kind of,
so
all the other cities.
Overall, I think I'm a go for Chandler. We love it. I think it's a great option. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking to relocate to Arizona, or if you do live in Arizona and you're just want to buy a new home or a first home and or trying to sell a home that you currently have and not having good success with it, reach out to us. We would love to help you guys out. You could call us, text, shoot us an email, set up a call. So many of you guys have been doing that. It's been so fun just to meet you guys. So we'd love to connect.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
See you
in the next video.